Presenting a pre-owned 2005 Dodge Sprinter 3500. This 3-door van has a 5-cylinder, 2-liter i5 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Dodge has less than 99,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, anti-lock brakes, power steering, and traction control. Thank you for visiting Michael's Motor Cars. Since 1996 we have been the Jersey Shore's premier dealership, specializing in quality automobiles at great prices, guaranteed financing available. Stop in for a test drive today or call 732-775-4444.